Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be discussing Invest 98B and obviously what are the chances of it forming, or if it will be a massive rain threat or something for Sri Lanka, and on Tropical Cyclone Darian or Darian, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, this is Invest 98B right now. It's near Sri Lanka, as you can see. It's delivering some rainfall to you guys. Probably some gusty winds, probably about 30 miles an hour, which is at 54 kilometers an hour. So just be aware. You can get consistent heavy downpours in some parts of Sri Lanka and the south coast of India. But that's not really the main threat. The main threat is Tropical Cyclone Darian right now, which still looks pretty impressive to what it was last night. And as you can see, the structure is still round. It's got a massive outflow band, which is getting that moisture, pulling that moisture down as obviously gravity. So it's pulling that moisture down and storing it in the storm, so it can just keep breathing in that moisture and the warm air, which is what the warm air, the moisture, and the warm SSTs over here, which is what's making this storm pretty powerful. It's 95 knots right now with a pressure of 961 millibars. Don't know if it will peak again. I'm not quite sure, but some of the models do want this to weaken. Now, I don't know, as I haven't really looked at the models, but I think the models probably wants this to weaken, to be fair with you. Southwest Pacific. This will probably be a short video. I'm gonna edit this, guys. I'm gonna make sure this is my best edited video yet. It's not in the South Pacific, is it? Wait, it's not, is it? Wait, whereabouts is it? I can't see it, guys. Can't really see it. I think it's on the southern part of the Westpac. Pretty sure. No. Okay. HWRF. Darian or Darian, whatever. I'm going to show you the model ones, guys, and I'm going to end the video there. So, as you can see, model ones do have this weakening. Apparently, the HWRF is still thinking that this is 948 millibars. The reason why it looks like this is the HWRF is indicating that there's wind shear on the storm. Now, I'm not quite sure if there is wind shear on the storm, but if there is, that's probably why the eye is disappearing. Plus, it's probably going through an hour replacement cycle as well. As you can see, it weakens and still stays weakening, but then it actually consolidates and reforms again, and then just starts weakening as it heads towards the South Pacific or the South Indian Ocean, and just dies off in the middle of nowhere. And then with 98B, which is not really a big threat, but they do want some of it to form off the coast of Sri Lanka, or Sri Lanka, whatever you call it. And yeah, so you guys will get some rainfall from this system. Maybe not a lot of rainfall, but probably a few inches. It does try and get its active. Well, this was a tropical cyclone. You know that tropical cyclone. Um, yeah, it kind of weakened basically, and it's not going to weaken. Well, it's not going to reform as one. The It's not really favourable right there at the moment. The they call it the peak is like May and October. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you have a nice Christmas. Enjoy with you spending time with your family and your friends and people like that. Don't forget to look after your loved ones during the Christmas period, and I should see you all whenever there's the next storm. There'll be an animation coming out round about in a few days, so look out for that. I'm not going to upload tomorrow as it's Christmas Day. Obviously, I'm going to have to spend time with the family, but probably was as soon as I'll probably come back about Boxing Day, 26. If you guys know what Boxing Day is, if you live in England. But yeah, anyway, if you will see you soon, and peace.